Looking for a fun and unique way to cook eggs for breakfast? This recipe will definitely surprise you. First, I grab 4 slices of toast bread and use a cookie cutter or a glass to cut out the center of each slice. Next, I finely chop some green onions and slice about 50 grams of bacon, so my fillings are ready to go. Then, I slice up some sausages into small rounds for the filling. Next, I take about 100 grams of mozzarella cheese and grate it on a coarse grater. I also slice around 50 grams of bacon into thin strips, fry them over high heat in a pan until crispy, and then place them on a plate to cool. Now I heat up a pan, add a little vegetable oil, and melt a small piece of butter for extra flavor. Once the butter is melted, I lay the bread slices in the pan into the round cut-out center. I add some chopped green onion and sausage pieces. Then, I carefully crack an egg directly into the center of the toast. I sprinkle grated mozzarella over the top and place the cut-out lid back on the toast. I set it aside when it's done. For the next toast, I switch up the filling and use bacon. I follow the same steps. Add butter to the pan, place the bread slice in, fill the center with bacon and green onion, crack an egg into the middle, stir it all together, top with mozzarella, cover with the bread lid and flip it over. I repeat this process for the remaining toasts, making 4 in total. They cook quickly and look amazing when done. Soft, creamy egg and melted cheese on the inside, with crispy golden bread and bacon on the outside. And that's it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're looking for more fun breakfast ideas. Enjoy your meal!